Dr. Manuel Anton, new CEO of Mercy Hospital, envisions Miami as a medical Mecca, where Miamians wouldn't leave to get health care, and folks from around the globe would think of Miami when they needed it. And he wants Mercy to be an integral part of that. Over the recent years, Mercy has increased its technology and shortened its emergency room wait times, and he wants the world to know. Dr. Anton joins us for this week's profile. I'm Risa Polanski, reporting for Miami Today.
You know, the long-term vision relates to what we were talking about earlier as far as making Miami a medical Mecca. I had the privilege of training in a number of locations. I spent time in Atlanta and Boston and elsewhere. And one of the things that I don't understand is how a community like ours that is such a haven for international interest in banking, real estate, advertising, fashion, tourism, and so on and so forth, is not a community that also attracts for medical care. And that's not to say that we don't have a couple of areas of strength in the city. But if you compare us to a number of other cities in the United States, we're not known for our medicine, and we should be. We are a hub or a center of activity for an entire continent, and some would argue 2 continents. Why couldn't we be the center of medical activity with the kind of diverse workforce we have? Because we have representatives in our workforce from all over the 2 continents, North and South America and others. The expertise that brings from the technology, from the care experience, the diversity, the talent. Now with 2 medical schools in the city, we should be a medical Mecca. And that's the long-term vision I would have, is to try to bring this organization along with the other organizations in the city to the point where Miami becomes a destination city for medical care. So
how do you get there?
You have to develop the kinds of expertise, technology, and renown. People need to know about it. So that if you are in Lima, Peru, or in Kansas City, you say, I need to go to Miami to get that done. And so there's investment that has to be done. You have to invest in human capital, in research, in facilities, and so on, academics. So that's the long-term vision, is to try to get there. How do you get there? You try to make the proper investments in all of the different areas so that you become known for the incredible quality that you produce and differentiated quality in those areas.